My name is Sesina. Most people call me Ses. I'm a systems engineer by training. Snooko is an addressing system that is designed to supercharge the economies of the developing world, giving them location, optimization, verification, essentially providing first world services in the developing world without the infrastructure required. Well, we are providing a solution to the lack of addresses. We are also providing a solution to the lack of verification of, all kinds of government processes and public and private processes, from refuse disposal to immunization to the delivery of vaccines. We are trying to make sure that people can get to the right place, do the right thing when they get there, and go around these places efficiently. I think it was in 2006 I was working with Ecobank and we were going from house to house trying to get people to open accounts. The problem was the next day I did not know where they were. I've always had a very bad sense of direction, and I thought at that time that it would be really good if we had an addressing system, and that was the beginning of it. It will enable us to grow by increasing the capacity of our staff, allowing them to do more with less. So that's the sort of technical support. Financial will allow us to subsidize the development of some of our cutting-edge technologies and increasing access or the barriers to entry for more people to adopt and grow the community around our technology. Well, the prospects for the next 3 years are looking very good. We are having multiple conversations with countries about becoming their national addressing systems, and we have a very good relationship with hundreds of ambulance services across Africa, working closely with 110 of them to deploy our technologies across Africa, and I think that will be our focus for the next 3 years. Digital technologies, have a big role to play in making sure that sustainable cities remain sustainable and can get even more efficient. The data or the knowledge that can be gleaned from data can be very powerful in making sure that you give people a really good standard of living, the minimal cost to the environment.